Let us begin with the help section where usage instructions are given. First is Skills page. This is where all your skills details are saved. Add name, estimated time in days, and list of topics to learn to achieve that skill. Now let us see topics. Here, you will select a skill from the filter and all the topics will appear. Currently coding in C++ is selected as a skill. You need to add learning resources for a particular topic for reference and also change status as you progress. Whenever you want to see the progress, just look at this topics for a skill and understand what has been done and remain to be done based on its status. Yet to learn, learning and learned are three statuses used for topic. This way you will have a comprehensive view of your skill learning progress. You can also view all topics by status. Again, select the skill you are currently working on and get to see your topic-based progress. Get this skill development manager and other free and premium Notion template from the link in the description. Happy learning! Thank you.